Hello everyone, this is Noriko with Noriko's House Cleaning, and we're going on a field trip. I actually hired a professional photographer and videographer to actually get what we do behind the scenes here at Noriko's House Cleaning. So we hope you enjoy the footage, the camaraderie that we had. It was a lot of fun. If you see your techs out there, please comment below and make sure you subscribe. And we're trying to get visibility out there. We're looking for referrals. Tag someone that you know that could use a little bit of help. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed watching the video and seeing my team in action. We sure had a lot of fun. Just a brief overview about me and my company. I've been in business since 2007. I got started because of Dave Ramsey. I wanted to get my family out of debt. We serve the greater Colorado Springs area and Manitou, including Fountain. We help busy families so that they don't have to think about cleaning. If consistency matters to you, give our office a call. Our number is 719-466-6100 and our website, Noriko's House Cleaning.